Once upon a time, in the ever-magical Wonka's factory, Charlie Bucket discovered a peculiar and out-of-place gumball machine hidden amidst the colorful lanes of candy. This wasn't just any gumball machine. It was dusty, adorned with fading colors, and bore the weight of many untold stories. But most importantly, this whimsical contraption had the power to grant one wish per chew. Charlie, with his curious nature, couldn't resist the urge to try a gumball. With a delightful pop, the candy began to work its magic. Charlie wisely wished for a beautiful day where all his friends could visit Wonka's factory for an unforgettable tour. And as per the machine's nature, the wish was granted. News of the wish-giving gumball machine spread like wildfire among Charlie's friends. Soon, groups of kids began to line up, each clutching coins eagerly, ready to try their luck. While some wishes were thoughtful and kind, others were downright whimsical. One child wished for a pet dragon, only for a tiny, friendly creature to appear that sneezed adorable puffs of smoke. Another wished for endless recess at school, causing cheers across the town. However, not every child was so wise. A boy named Ralph, known for his impulsive tendencies and love of all things sweet, saw the machine as an opportunity for greatness. With a mischievous grin, Ralph dropped a coin and exclaimed, "I wish for all the candy in the world." Almost instantly, a rumble spread through the factory, and waves of sugary delight began to spill forth, covering every surface in sweet confection. The chaos was extraordinary. Cupboards overflowed with chocolates, lanes disappeared under avalanches of candy canes, and rivers of caramel threatened to submerge the entire factory. Charlie knew something had to be done before the world drowned in chocolate. Together with his quick-thinking friends and the ever-enigmatic Willy Wonka, Charlie set out on a mission to reverse Ralph's wish. They sprinted through candy-covered halls, dived beneath floating bridges of sugary treats, and finally reached the core of the factory where the gumball machine stood. "I wish for everything to be as it was," Charlie announced, with a gulp, as he chewed another gumball. Suddenly, the torrent of sweets ceased, slowly retracting back into the depths of the factory. Calm swept through the candied chaos, and everything returned to its rightful place. Relief washed over everyone as the rainbow waves vanished, leaving behind only excitement and giggles about the adventure of a lifetime. From that day on, all wishes were chosen wisely, for everyone had learned that even the smallest wishes could lead to the biggest adventures. Charlie, with a twinkle in his eye, wisely made sure the wish-giving gumball machine was kept as a special secret. The machine was used only when the time was right. And so, the world remained sweet, not just with candy but with the memories and lessons shared by those who dared to wish.